Hi everyone, welcome to New School Yoga Club. This week's practice is a standing stretch that's perfect for the classroom or office. So when you're ready, come to standing and we'll get started. Okay, we'll start standing with our feet about hips width apart. And once you're here, we'll just take a few deep breaths to settle in. You might even close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. So go ahead and take a great big inhale with me. Let something go on your exhale. Just coming into this present moment. Again, a great big inhale and exhale. One more time, a great big inhale, fully arriving here on your exhale. And then go ahead and open your eyes. Okay. So we'll start with some neck rolls today. Very simple and gentle. Take it easy. So we'll start by dropping the chin to the chest. And then we'll slowly roll the left ear over to the left shoulder. And then we'll move slowly back through center, chin to chest again. And then bring the right ear to right shoulder. Take a breath here and we'll do that 2 more times. Come back through center, chin to chest. Left ear to left shoulder. Deep breath. Come back through center. Right ear to right shoulder. Last one, back through center. Left ear to left shoulder. Back through center last time, ending with the right ear to the right shoulder. Go ahead, come back to center, and then bring your head all the way back up. Beautiful. Okay, from here, we'll do some shoulder rolls. So we'll start with 3 rolls to the front and then take 3 rolls to the back of the room. Okay, so big, slow movements, bringing the shoulders toward the front of the room. 1. Breathe deeply. 2. Again, last one to the front of the room. 3. Okay, and reverse this, bringing it to the back of the room. So shoulder roll to the back. 1 and 2. Deep breaths. 1 more. 3. To the back. Good. And release. Okay. From here, we're going to really open up through the chest by taking a deep breath and bringing the arms overhead. Okay, so take a big inhale, and as you do, bring the arms down, around, and up. Open through the chest as you come up, and the palms will touch at the top. And then exhale and just bring your hands back to your heart. Okay, we'll repeat that 2 more times. Great big inhale, down, around, and up. Stretch and reach. You might look up at your hands as they touch, and then exhale, hands to heart. Really take your time, move like you're moving through water. 1 more time, great big inhale, bring the arms down, around, and all the way up. And exhale, hands to heart. Okay, now we're going to transition into a forward fold to stretch out the back of the legs. So we'll actually do that arm movement 1 more time, but this time we'll fold forward. So take a great big inhale, arms come down, around, and up. And this time as you exhale, I'll turn so you can see, you'll hinge from the hips and fold forward. So come all the way down till you start to feel a nice stretch through the back of the legs. You might cross the arms here and just sway side to side if that feels okay. And we'll hold for 3 deep breaths at the bottom. Some gentle movement might feel nice, or you can just hold stillness. That's up to you. right, let's do one more deep breath. Okay, now take your time. We're going to roll back up to standing slowly, slowly. Your head can be the last thing to come up. And when you get to the top, go ahead and release your arms. Beautiful. Okay, we'll take it to a side stretch now. So again, feet are hips width apart. And we'll take a great big inhale, bring the arms up. And as you exhale, we'll stretch over to the right. So bring the left arm overhead, the right arm just rests on your thigh. We'll hold here, breathe deeply. Feeling a nice stretch through the side body. One more breath here. Go ahead and release that, and we'll switch sides. So again, take a great big inhale, bring both arms overhead. And as you exhale, stretch over to the left. So bring the right arm overhead. You might look up at your right hand if that feels okay on your neck. And take a few deep breaths here. On your next exhale, go ahead and release. Okay, for our final stretch, we'll stretch out the front of the legs, and this is also a balancing pose. So take your time. We're going to take the left foot behind us, so bend the knee. Take hold of your left foot with your left hand, so grabbing the front of the foot. Turn to the side so you can see. Okay. From here, really stabilize, nice strong right leg, like a tree trunk, rooted to the ground. You might find a focal point to gaze at to keep your balance. Go ahead and press your foot into your hand so you're really feeling a nice stretch through the front of the leg. And when you feel ready, see if you can extend the right arm out in front of you. And really spread out the fingers, bring some energy and intention to this movement. And we'll take a few breaths here, balancing. Stabilize through the core. One more deep breath. And go ahead and release. Okay, and we'll switch sides. So this time bringing the right foot behind you, take hold of your right foot with your right hand like this. Feeling a nice stretch through the front of the leg. When you feel ready, again, slowly extend, spread out the fingers, extend that left arm out in front of you. And hold here, find your balance, find your focal point. And take a few deep breaths, holding and balancing. If you fall out of the pose, just come back. One more deep breath here. Good, and release. Okay, you've done a great job. We're going to close by taking 3 deep breaths together. So find a comfortable standing position, arms at your sides is fine, or hands to heart, whatever feels right to you. You might close your eyes, again, if you feel comfortable. Let's take a great big inhale. Let something go on your exhale. Again, a great big inhale. And exhale. Last one, so make it a good one. Big inhale. Let everything go on your exhale. And then go ahead and open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time.